looking at special triangles. There's two types of special triangles, a 30, 60, 90 right triangle and a 45, 45, 90 right triangle. Okay, we're going to start off with question 1, which I have done, and we're going to go through it. We're looking for the missing values. So in question 1, if z equals 3, what is the value of x? So as I did here, we replace z with 3. 3 times 3 plus 4 equals 13. And we have to put it order of proportion. And when working with missing values, we usually use sign. So it's going to be 13 over sine of 30 because we're looking at its opposite angle, which in this case is 30. But we're looking for the value of x, but we don't know the value of x yet. But we know its opposite angle is 90, so we put that over sine of 90. And with our graphing calculator, or scientific calculator, now what we're going to do is cross multiply 13 times sine of 90 divided by sine of 30, and we get 26. So we can place 26 plus 2, but we're not done here. We have to use PEMDAS first. So in this situation, we found 26, but we're using PEMDAS backwards, and we're doing the opposite. Right now, we're just going to do the opposite. So instead of adding 2 to 26, we're going to subtract 2, and our final answer is going to be 24. Now we're going to be looking at our second question, which says, if s equals 6, what is the value of t? So as we did to our first question, making sure that this though is a 45, 45, 90 triangle now that we're working with. Okay, back to this. S, which equals 6, we replace it. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And again, we're looking for its opposite angle, which is 45. So again, we're using sine. But remember, we're looking for the value of t. We don't know what t is, but we know its opposite angle, and it's sine of 90. Again, using our calculator, we multiply 12 times sin of 90 divided by sin of 45, and we get 17. Okay, but we're not done. We have to plug it in now, and in this case, in this situation, we are doing it backwards. So instead of using parentheses first, we're doing subtract, add. So for this part, we plug in our 17 as we got. 4 times 17 minus 3. And since we're doing the opposite first and it's backwards, we add 3 and we get 24, as you see here. But instead of multiplying it times 4, now we're going to divide by 4, and our final answer is going to be 5.